Here's a quick look at the embarkation or check-in process for the Norwegian Joy at Seattle's Pier 66 in May 2025. First, we made sure to attach our cruise luggage tags before leaving for the cruise terminal. We were dropped off at the north or right end of the cruise terminal and handed off our check bags with the friendly baggage handlers. Remember to keep your passports, medications, and other important documents with you. Missing luggage tags can be printed at the white canopies. We then headed to the passenger check-in on the south or left end of the cruise terminal. Once past the bright red 66 sign, we took a right and made our way to the check-in entrance. We threw away our water bottles in the handy trash receptacles and pulled out our passports and boarding passes for inspection. While waiting in line, we opened up our passports to the photo pages and presented them to the attendant along with our boarding passes for inspection. We then moved onto the security checkpoint that is similar to the TSA pre-check at the airport. Listen to the attendant's instructions. Shoes, jackets, and jewelry stay on. Hats and belts come off. Remove metal and electronics. All bags go through the X-ray scanner. After the security checkpoint, we were directed to the check-in area. With our Casinos at Sea reservation, we were able to use the priority check-in line, which allowed us to bypass the long regular check-in line and walk to the front of the line. For details on the Casinos at Sea reservations and other tips, click the link at the end of this video. At the check-in desk, we presented our passports, answered a quick health questionnaire, and received our stateroom cards. F6 was our emergency assembly station. We were then directed to board the ship and ran into a very long line, but it moved quickly. We tapped in our cards and boarded the ship. We then headed straight to our assembly station as shown on our stateroom card. We followed the signs and at the assembly station allowed the friendly crew member to scan our stateroom cards. We recommend that you head to the Social Comedy Club to sign up for any last-minute entertainment reservations. We then ate lunch. Besides the busy Garden Cafe buffet, complimentary dining rooms Savor, Taste, and the Local were also open for lunch. We ate at Taste, which had a quiet and peaceful atmosphere. We then patiently waited and listened for the announcement that our stateroom was ready.